In Goa, you'll find churches and chapels dedicated to Saint Francis Xavier across the state. The chapel in Portais Ward in Panjim is one such example.
I am married here for last 30 years and I'm regular to this chapel. This chapel has mass now every Sunday and any important days. The priests come from the Panjim parish or from Pilar. Now going to the history of this chapel, it's a very old chapel. In fact, in the year 1888, this chapel had begun just about 100 meters away from here, just 100 meters. So between the chapel, then my house, and there's a small club. So masses were being held there. This parish was growing rapidly and the place was becoming very small, so the people put their minds together and they decided to have a bigger place. Some family by the name Placido de Souza donated this land and this chapel came up. This chapel was collectively built with the inputs of all the people, large-hearted people. And on 6th February 1941, the first Mass was celebrated here. The way you see this chapel, the altar and everything was donated by the people. The main altar, as you see, has an inscription there on a gold plate. It was donated by Nunes family of this Portais. There's a beautiful pulpit here showing the entire life in carving of the life of Saint Francis. That was donated by my father-in-law, Antonio Vieira Velho. My family is a very profound Catholic family, and going into history, the first, my father-in-law's father, that is Joki Santan Velho, he had celebrated in 1930 the feast of Sant Inés Church. This chapel didn't exist that time because it was very small, in a small room. In 1955, my father-in-law Anton Vieira Velho, he celebrated the feast of this chapel. This year is the Jubilee year, 1925. On January 19th, my son will be celebrating the feast of this chapel. I'm very happy to have this opportunity to celebrate this feast because Saint Francis Xavier has bestowed me with a lot of gifts, blessings, to call them exactly blessings. My son also is a blessing from Saint Francis Xavier, and the year he was born on the Vespers day of the feast of Saint Francis Xavier. We are a small community here of Catholic people, but very interconnected with each other, and very peaceful Portais Ward. And the feast of this chapel is always celebrated on the third Sunday of January.
Now nearly 60 years old, and as a child I know how this feast was celebrated, and all these years, and it is going on increasing. The celebration is becoming bigger and bigger every year.
Let's find out about the Saint Francis Xavier Church in Duler.
We also have chapels and churches dedicated to Saint Francis Xavier, including one in Chikali. But in my own hometown of Mopsa, we had a chapel in Duler, which was dedicated to Saint Francis Xavier, and used to have its feast on the first Sunday after the 3rd of December, which is the feast day of St. Francis Xavier, except in the years when the 3rd was on a Sunday and the feast in Old Goa was celebrated on the 4th, the following Monday. The feast in Mapsa used to be celebrated 1 week after the 3rd, either 4th to the 10th. That was a period in which the feast would be there. I remember that as a child going there to the chapel, and in fact I had received my first Holy Communion in this chapel. In 2014, this chapel was elevated to a church, a full-fledged church. It had a cemetery of its own, and the capellan or the chaplain became the padvigar or the parish priest. It's functioning as a parish for the people of Mapsa, Shettivado, Duler, Kuncheli and Karasvado. All are parishioners of this new church, which has been carved out from the parish of St. Jerome, the main church in Mapsa, which most people call as the Milagres Church, but it's dedicated to St. Jerome.